Hello everybody. So today I'm going to be demonstrating a feature on iPads called Slide Over. So sometimes it's convenient for us to be able to open up two different apps on the same iPad screen and see both of these apps at the same time and be able to use both of these apps at the same time. So Slide Over lets you have one app in the background and you can see that app, and then meanwhile there will be another app in the foreground or in the front on top, and it's that app that's in front on top that you can actually use. So I'm going to show you what I mean and demonstrate how to do this now. So first of all, you're going to want to open your background app, or the app that's going to take up the whole screen. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and open up Safari by tapping it right there. So now I have Safari open, and let's say I'm also in a Zoom meeting at the same time, and in that Zoom meeting my teacher is demonstrating something on her shared screen. So I want to be able to watch her shared screen and then go right into Safari on my tablet or iPad and do what she just demonstrated. So in order to bring up Zoom using Slide Over, the first step is to take your finger and drag it from the bottom of the iPad screen up in order to open up the dock. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to open up the dock just like that, and then I'm going to tap on Zoom and hold my finger down and drag it up and to the right, and then I can release or let go. And notice how Zoom now takes up that sort of right portion of my screen. So this is the app that's on top or in front, the Zoom app. And notice also there is a gray bar at the top. If I tap that gray bar and hold and slide it around, I can move where I have that top app on my screen. Okay, so at this point, perhaps the teacher who is sharing her screen would demonstrate going to, let's say, classroom pages, for example. So on my iPad, perhaps I just watched that in that little Zoom window, and now I want to do it myself. So to get back into Safari to do it myself, I will have to click or tap where it says Google. And notice that the Zoom window does go away at that point. So that's sort of the disadvantage of Slide Over, is that it does not keep both windows up at the same time. So at this point, I can go ahead and do what the teacher had demonstrated. And now I will be right where the teacher was. So if I want to bring that Slide Over Zoom window back, if I've already done it once, I don't have to open up the dock again and slide it up again. There's actually an easier way. So what I can do is I can just take my finger from the right side of my iPad screen. I'm going to slide my finger over, and it just brings back that Zoom window. Okay, and again, I can move it around, and the teacher might be demonstrating the next steps at this point, so perhaps she's showing us to click on Portal Login at the top, and then maybe after that she's going to show us to enter how to enter a grade key. Okay, so we watched her demonstration, and now we would go back into Safari by just tapping that background Safari app. Again, Zoom does go away, unfortunately, and then we would do what she just demonstrated, click on Portal Login, and we could go ahead and enter our grade key. Okay, so remember, even though we can't keep both windows open at once, it is convenient because we can get the Zoom window back very easily by simply sliding our finger from the right edge of the screen, just like that. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.